Are you unable to connect to Wi-Fi from the control center, or is your iPhone's Wi-Fi grayed out? Let's see the solutions to fixing it. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is running the latest software version. The first solution is to check the Wi-Fi settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. If the Wi-Fi toggle is turned off, tap to turn it back on. Furthermore, turn airplane mode on and off and check if the grayed out Wi-Fi issue is fixed. The second solution is to reset network settings. Doing this erases all saved Wi-Fi networks and network settings. So let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app and select General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select the Reset option. You can see that different reset options are available here. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. You may see a confirmation message. Hit Reset Network Settings. Wait for the network resetting process to complete. Then unlock your iPhone and try connecting to a wireless network. The third solution is to force restart the iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side button and wait for the restart process to complete. Unlock your iPhone with Face ID or lock screen passcode. Then, try to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you've failed to connect or are getting an error message, tap the Info button next to the Wi-Fi network name and hit the Forget This Network button. Afterward, tap on the Connect button next to the Wi-Fi name and enter the password to access it. The fourth solution is to check screen time restrictions. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once more, find the Allow Changes To section by scrolling down. Tap on Mobile Data and ensure that access is allowed. Occasionally, a VPN might disrupt your Wi-Fi signal, resulting in a grayed out Wi-Fi. So follow the fifth solution. Disable VPN on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app and turn off the toggle next to VPN. If your VPN turns on automatically, you need to remove the configuration. To achieve this, tap on the General section, then scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. Then, tap on the Info button next to the VPN name and select Delete VPN. Confirm the Delete option. If the Wi-Fi is still grayed out, follow the sixth solution. Reset all settings. Doing this removes all your device settings, such as network settings, home screen layout, keyboard dictionary, and more, without erasing your content. Launch the Settings app and tap on the General section. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select the Reset option. Then, select Reset All Settings. Then enter your passcode to confirm and wait for the reset process to complete. The seventh solution is to factory reset the iPhone. Doing this restores your iPhone's default settings and fixes software issues and faulty file systems that cause Wi-Fi problems. Before a factory reset, make sure you have backed up your data to iCloud or a computer. Afterward, launch the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, select Erase All Content and Settings. Follow the on-screen steps and wait for the factory reset process to complete. If none of the solutions work, try connecting to another iPhone and verify if the Wi-Fi works. If it works, then there might be a hardware problem with your iPhone. So the last solution is to contact Apple support. Visit Apple's Get Support website and select your problem type. Then, choose a topic or write your problem in the search box. Then, hit the Enter key. You can see a scheduled repair option available here, or read articles suggested for you. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.